Let's talk about Manus AI today. It is a general AI agent that turns your thoughts into actions. So, Manus is derived from the Latin word which means hand. So, it is kind of a helping hand for all of us, and it helps us through its agentic capabilities. So let's dive deep into Manus. Launched in 2025, Manus AI is one of the first general purpose AI agent of the world. And unlike traditional chatbots that offer text based suggestions, Manus AI autonomously plans and execute complex tasks. It integrates various tools within a secure sandbox environment, ensuring that user data remains protected, which we'll look into in some time. There are several use cases which we can look into. For example, a trip to Japan in April. So if we want to plan a trip, then we can just give this prompt and it'll start researching about it. First of all, it'll research, then create a to-do list, research about everything, browse the websites, and using some open source tools, scroll down. It will do everything for you like you use your browser. So it's like a helping hand for you, doing everything for you. Okay, so here is the 7 day Japan itinerary, April 15 to 23, 25, and here is a day to day activity list which you can explore and follow. All right, so you can download this to your local, and yeah, you can use it later. Let's go back and we can check this out. Here is a sales analysis for an Amazon store. So this is the prompt. Here's the last month sales data from my Amazon store. Analyze it thoroughly with visualizations and recommended specific data driven strategies to boost next month's sales by 10%. So first of all, it will load and explore data from my dashboard. It will execute some commands, some Python commands, whichever is needed, and it will again create text file, to-do list, edit all these things, and again execute some Python commands, and side by side it will do everything here. And this is the final summary we can see. This is the summary, data analysis, methods used, sales performance, day-to-day analysis. Everything is jotted down here nicely. You can also download and use it later in your local. So let's go back. Yeah, Manus actually conducts data analysis, create and generate visual reports. It does writing, testing, deploying code. It can handle a diverse array of tasks. It also helps in content creation, designing presentation, and organizing information as well. Manus AI's standout feature is its independent operation capabilities. It functions without continuous user supervision. As you can see here, we did not give any input in between the process. It just started doing it and finished it by its own. So that's what we can see here. That's a good thing, that we don't have to interact and it will just generate everything for us. Okay, so we can see some other use cases of Manus. For example, we can do this, how to generate blog that pass Google AI content test and have good SEO. It's searching about Google AI content guidelines and browsing through different websites, scrolling down on websites, again browsing some other websites, scrolling down, and it's doing it over and over to create a proper guideline for us, so we don't have to do all the research. So basically it's doing all the research for us from the web, so that we don't have to go to the website and do the research ourselves, which saves a lot of time, which in my opinion is a big breakthrough in AI by Manus AI. Here is the result. We can check this out. It's fully detailed with granular details, and it's pretty good. We can also use the PDF or copy this file or simply download it for our uses later. We can see there are different use cases. For example, best hiking in Swiss Alps. We can research the best hiking trails in Swiss Alps. So it just starts scrolling and browsing through different websites. As we can see here, whatever it's doing, we can see in this Manus computer window right here, and it's doing all the things which we wanted to research, and it's doing it for us. We don't have to worry much about it. It's browsing, scrolling, doing all the record, editing the files, creating nice layouts for us. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the final result. So here it is. This is the final result, and it's, as you can see, it's pretty quick. It doesn't take a lot of time to complete all the things which it's doing in the back end, and it's pretty quick. So it's a proper trekker's guide for Swiss Alps, which is really helpful. You can just follow these things and make your plans in this summer. So okay, we go back and let's see here. So yeah, here are some spaces which are created by users, right? So let's check Super Mario, right? We can just play it as it is. It's created through Manus, and it's working really good. Okay, we can play ahead, and as you can see from a prompt itself, it just created the whole game, and we can play it nicely, which is a really good achievement for us. Let's talk about the benchmarks. They have shown us the Gaia benchmark, which is a general AI benchmark, a standard one. So as you can see, it surpasses OpenAI Deep Research, which is the benchmark flagship bearer in the past, and now Manus AI is just killing it. All the levels, it's way ahead of OpenAI. I think OpenAI is in big trouble now. They have to act fast and produce some good models with lesser cost, which will benefit us, the users. Manus is completely free now, so it is a plus for users. But it is currently in beta phase, and Manus AI is accessible through only invitation. Interested users can apply for beta access here in the website. You can go here and click get started. You can put your invitation code here if you have any, or you can simply request access here by putting your email ID, and you can check about the updates in your email. So yeah, that's about it. In conclusion, we can say Manus AI represents a significant leap in AI development. It's beyond other AI tools now because it can deliver actionable results and it is a proper AI agent to which you can just give a prompt and it will research and do all the work for you, and it will simply give you the final result, which is a sweet achievement. If you like this kind of AI related content or tech related videos, you can subscribe to my channel and you can get to see a lot of new AI tools and new tech news and tech reviews in my channel. Let's meet in the new one. Till then, goodbye.